Class, is this 11th B?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, I was really worried if I have entered a fish market by mistake. No? Sit down, everybody. Morons. Anyway, yesterday's test results are here, and I would want everybody to clap for Abhishek Sharma. Yes? So Abhishek has scored the highest from the bottom.
Oh no!
You've scored 3 out of 100. What were you thinking while writing the answers? Now take this and frame it at your home and do puja every day. So in this chapter, Mark is telling his lover that even if you don't speak a word, I'm able to understand your feelings. Yes, Shruti and Abhishek, right? You must be relating a lot with this line, isn't it? Stand up, you both. What was happening yesterday in this class? I was watching through the camera. You both are making your parents really proud, I'm telling you. Why don't you both just go and get married already? Yes, Shruti? The amount of makeup, eyeliner and lipstick you have put, I can tell you, you'll become a very good makeup artist. At least you have a scope. Abhishek, you don't have any scopes, let me tell you. The maximum you can become is the auto wala. And Aisha, where is she? Yes, stand up, stand up. What do you want to become? A marriage counselor when you grow up. The constant support you have been showing to these two, the love letters that they have been passing yesterday in the class, you have been helping them a lot. Abhishek and Shruti, do one thing. Bring your parents tomorrow and let's just do a proper court marriage. I'll be the witness because studies though you all can't do. So this is all about the first chapter. I want
Ma'am,
to
I come in.
Yes, come in. Where were you? You were roaming. You were roaming where? Continuously, I have been seeing you both roaming around in every period. Where were you all?
Ma'am, we went for sports.
Went for sports, and that's why you wanted to miss my class. No need to come. No, don't enter. No need to come. Stay outside. Stay outside. You all think that you're going to become a sports person when you grow up. Zero chances. Because there is no point of telling you all anything. God knows what you'll do in your life. My work is to just finish the chapters and go. Rest is on you all. If you study, well and good.